When one finds himself with an abundance of cabbages, I think there is nothing better that can be made than sauerkraut. Because of my German ancestry, I've had sauerkraut all of my life and I enjoy it a lot. Bratwurst, mustard, and a little sauerkraut on the side is one of my favorite dinners to have. As it turns out, sauerkraut is one of those ferments that is a lot simpler than you'd think to make. All that is needed is thinly sliced cabbages, salt, and a fermentation vessel where your kraut will rest till it is finished. To the thinly cut cabbages, we're adding 2% of its weight in salt, which will suck out the water and create a brine for the cabbages to ferment in. Along with that, we are squeezing the cabbage to help the process along of extracting that brine. Once you squeeze enough to see water dripping off, you're going to pack it into your vessel and add some weight on top to keep the cabbage submerged as the brine starts to rise. Over the next couple days, you'll start to see more brine and bubbles appear, which is the best sign that your ferment is working. Normally, your kraut will age for a couple weeks minimum, but with the majority of our ferments, we taste along the way and call it done when we like it.